The three-day Zest Fest held at Bangalore ended on a high note, as 60 to 70% of the 4 metric tons of Khasi Mandarins were sold out by the time the curtains fell on the grand event. The festival's final day at Lal Bagh Botanical Garden in Bangalore featured numerous stalls showcasing Lakadong turmeric and authentic honey from Meghalaya. Officer on special duty to the Department of Food Processing, Makbul Lingdo Suyam, expressed satisfaction over the positive response from Bangalore and emphasized on plans to collaborate with local retailers and major chains like Big Basket and Reliance Fresh to export these products from here.
Fruit here in this place. So the idea of bringing Khasi Mandarin here in Bangalore is that we just want to popularize the brand. That's number one. Number two, we want to showcase about this unique fruit that we have in the state of Meghalaya. We have seen it. People in Bangalore, they have given their feedback when you compare it with the Nagpur oranges and all that. You see, the moment they taste the fruit, they said, this is really what kind of fruit? This is so sweet, it's so unique.